So going into 2024, there's obviously action cameras going to be released at some point this year. We've had a pretty good year in 2023 when it comes to new ones. We've had the GoPro 12, the Action 4, the Insta360 Ace Pro, and I'm going to keep on reviewing them, comparing them. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you do subscribe and press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. At the moment though, Insta360 just keep on giving us more and more. They keep on updating the cameras as well, and today is no different. We've got a new update for the Insta360 Ace Pro. They just keep on giving us more features, they keep on listening to feedback, and they listen to feedback from people like me as well, which is really great. They don't sort of rest on their laurels like GoPro seem to do. I can't remember the last time we had an update on a GoPro camera. I will check after filming this video to see if they've given us an update, but Insta360 just keep on rolling out new features, keep on improving the cameras, and that's why I keep on recommending them to you, because they're always trying to improve it and give you a better user experience. So in today's update, we've had a few new features. We've got now the ability to turn HDR on and off. So before on the Insta360 Ace Pro, HDR was automatically toggled on when you recorded 30 frames per second or above. So you got HDR footage in like 60 frames per second, which is great, but you don't always want HDR on there. Sometimes you want to shoot in certain scenarios when you don't want HDR turned on. So now they've added that feature. You just go into the menu, you press on where you can change the frame rates and resolutions and whatnot. On the top right now, you've got active HDR. You can toggle that on or off. That's a great feature. Now, sharpness is another thing. When it comes to shooting with action cameras, sometimes they can look a little bit over sharp, but you can actually change the sharpness levels within the menu. Before, you had to dive into the settings and there was image settings. Now all you have to do on the Ace Pro is swipe from the right left and you go down to the little sharpness settings. Now you can set it from highest all the way down to low. I tend to have mine on medium, and that gives me the nicest balance of good image quality and sharpness, so that's what I like to have it set on. Now they've changed that within the menu. You can easily change it if you want to, depending on your scenario. Clarity zoom was a great feature on the video. You didn't lose any video quality when you zoomed in by 2 times. Because of that 8K sensor we've got on here, it allows you to zoom in and not lose any resolution. So now they've added that to photo mode. Certain photo modes like HDR, we go into HDR mode, you can now double tap on the screen or press those 2 arrows to actually zoom in 2 times without losing any image resolution. So you've got now clarity zoom in photo modes as well. They've also added the zoom feature into webcam mode. So if you're using the webcam, you want to zoom into your face a little bit while you're talking, you can do. You can cut out a bit of the background by zooming in. That helps sometimes on video calls, for instance. So if you're using this as a webcam, you've got zoom mode on there as well. So if you didn't already know, the Ace Pro is already compatible with certain motorbike audio headsets, which is just a crazy feature. You can use this to connect it to Bluetooth to your motorbike helmet audio system, whichever one you're using, and you could use voice commands within that system to control the camera, for instance, to start and stop recording, or different commands. So if you're riding your motorbike and you've got this mounted on your motorbike, you could actually control the camera without having to touch it, which is a great and safe way of using your action camera. Not only that, now they've added extra functionality from another company called Voto, so that's added in there now. So if you've got those headsets, it is compatible now with the Ace Pro. Also, they've added new compatibility with the Action GPS remote. I did a video recently on the new preview remote, which is amazing, but if you don't want that preview option, this pretty much does the same thing. It starts and stops recording as GPS data, and you can have it mounted on your handlebar or on your wrist. So there's 2 options now for GPS control and remote control. So yeah, you've got both of these options now, are both compatible with the Ace Pro and Ace. So those are the main updates, along with bug fixes and stability improvements. They are constantly updating these cameras, not only the Ace Pro but all the other cameras, and I'm really interested to see what else Insta360 bring out this year. They're really smashing the market, they're really pushing the boundaries, they're really pushing the other people like GoPro to improve their cameras. So let's see what 2024 brings this year. I'm fully expecting it to be pretty incredible. Hopefully we'll beat 2023. I think I've got a funny feeling we will. Okay, that's it for this one. Make sure you do subscribe. Stay tuned for all the latest news on action cameras in particular. Check out this video. You might like that one. And yeah, I shall see you on the next one. Plenty of good stuff coming soon. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.